In this video, I'll guide you through how to create tables in Databricks. If you're new to Databricks or just looking to brush up on your skills, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll focus on how to create tables within Databricks using a Python notebook. This quick and straightforward method allows you to write data from an active PySpark data frame directly into a Delta table. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll need to set up a sample data structure. This is essentially the data that you'll be working with, and it's crucial for creating your table. Imagine you have a small dataset with employee information. In our example, we'll use a list of tuples, where each tuple represents an employee. For instance, let's consider two employees, Alice, who works in sales, and Bob, who is part of the engineering department. We'll assign each employee a unique identifier, so our data will look like this: one for Alice in sales, and two for Bob in engineering. We'll also define the column names as id, name, and department. This setup will form the foundation of our PySpark data frame. Next, we need to create the PySpark data frame itself. This is where we use the spark.createDataFrame function, which takes in two arguments, our data and the schema, which in this case is defined by our column names. By executing this step, we effectively transform our list of tuples into a structured data frame that Spark can work with. Now comes the exciting part, saving the data frame as a permanent Unity catalog table. This step is crucial because it allows you to interact with your data more effectively within Databricks, making it accessible for various operations like querying and analysis. To achieve this, we'll use the write method associated with our data frame. Specifically, we'll call df.write.format with the parameter set to delta. This specifies that we want to save our data in the delta format, which is optimized for high-performance queries and efficient storage. It's important to note that when saving your table, you have options for handling existing data. You can choose to overwrite any existing data in your target table by using .mode overwrite, or you can append your new data to the existing table data by using .mode append. This flexibility is beneficial when managing how new data integrates with your existing datasets. Finally, we conclude this process by invoking the saveAsTable method. This step is where we specify the full table name, in this case, main.default.company_staff. By doing so, we're telling Databricks to save the data frame as a permanent table within the Unity catalog, specifically under the main catalog and default schema. This makes it readily available for future operations, allowing you to leverage the full power of Databricks for data analysis and more. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create tables in Databricks using a Python notebook. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your data and take advantage of the robust features offered by Databricks. Whether you're dealing with small datasets or large-scale data operations, this method provides a solid foundation for creating and managing your data tables. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy data analyzing.